Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain constants and string interpolations. So, what is a constant? So, a constant is a value that cannot be modified throughout the execution of a program. So, constants are particularly useful when working with the values that definitely will not require modification, such as pi value or number of feet in a mile. So these two are examples of constant values. Once a constant has been defined, so it cannot be changed at any other point of program. So constants are defined by using the define function. So defining a constant. Define function defines a constant by assigning a value to a name. So syntax is boolean define string of string name mixed value comma boolean case insensitive. So in this example, define pi value. So string name is pi. The value of the string is pi value is 3.14. So it prints the value of pi is percentage of pi. So $pi 2 equal to 2 into pi value. To displays the multiplication of pi value in 2 times. It will displays the double equals to prints the $pi value too. So it is define constant value. Constant value using by using define function. So expression. An expression is a phrase representing a particular action in a program. So all expression consist at least one operand and one or more operands. So in this example, operand is a a is a operand. So operators are equal to. Okay. So in the second example also operator equal to one operand and one operator. So operators in this example there are two operators are used equal to and plus. So two or more operands also. So in this example one operator we are used. Expression is a representing particular action of program. At least one operand and one or more operators. So operands are inputs of an expression. So in this example, $a plus plus, a is the input of the value. So it is a operand. So sum equal to value 1 comma value 2. So in this example, sum value 1 and value 2 are operands. So in this example, value 1 and 2 are operands and equal to and plus are operators. So operator. An operator is a symbol that specifies a particular action in an expression. So operator precedence rule. So operator precedence is a characteristic of operators that determine the order in which they are evaluate the operands surrounding them. For example, $_cost equal to cost plus cost into 0 point multiplication into 0.06. There are two operators are used in this say example. So we can some particular precedence rules for which operator for used first. So multiplication operator used first because it has a high precedence value. So we can use calculate multiplication factor. Then we add the previous variable next variable. So operator associative. So means operator associative characteristics and operator specific how operations of the same precedence are evaluated as they are executed. So associativity can be performed in two directions. So left to right or right to left. So operator associative means same operator we can use multiple times. So how we are calculating? So from right to left or left to right. So in multiplication symbol, we can in this example we can use multiplication operator for 5 times. So 4 times. So we can use left to right associativity to the multiplication factor. That's why we are calculating left values starting. After that, we are changing to right side values. So left to right associativity used for multiplication factor. Next, operators. There are several types of operators: arithmetic, assignment, string operators, so increment and decrement operators, logical operators, so equality operator, comparison operator, bitwise operators. So arithmetic operators, you know already. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So assignment operator. Assignment operator means So assignment operators assign a data value to a particular value. The simplest form of assignment operator is just assigns some value. So assignment operators is equal to is assignment operator. So plus equal to additional assignment operator. So multiplication assignment operator. So division assignment and concatenation operators. String operators. String operators are there are two such operators including the concatenation operator. Dot is used for concatenation two strings and concatenation assignment operator. So dot equal to is a concatenation assignment operators. So increment and decrements. So there are two types of increments, pre-increment and so post-increment. So in pre-increment, assigning a value and increment by one. So post-increment, so it will increment by one. Pre-decrement and post-decrement. Logical operators, logical and logical or not operator, exclusive or operators are logical operators. So equality operators used to compare two values, testing for equivalence. So here example double equal to. So equal to means both A and B values are must be same. So not equal to means both A and B values are not equal. So triple equals is operator used for identical to means so both values must be both A and B values must be same and data type also must be same. This is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to. So double equal to means both values must be same. In triple equal to both must values must be same and data type also must be same. So comparison operator. So comparison operators like logical operators so provide a method to direct program flow through examination. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, ternary operator. Okay, these are all comparison operators. So bitwise operators, bitwise and so manipulates the integer values level of individual bits that can make integer values. So and or are not shift left, shift right functions are used for bitwise operators. So next one string interpolation. In string interpolation, double quotes first one. Strings encoded in double quotes are most commonly used in PHP scripts because they offer most flexibility. So this is because both variables and escape sequences will be parsed accordingly. So in this example, dollar sport equal to boxing. Variable dollar sport having boxing value. So in print echo, Jason's favorite sports is so dollar. So variable name here declared. So it is parsing variable value also. So Jason's favorite sport is boxing. Variable dollar sport having the boxing value. So it passes the double quotes. The value is parsed. Escape sequence. Escape sequence are also parsed. So output equal to there is one line dot slash n is a new line characters, escape character. And this is another line. So it displays output like this. So it breaks the line into end of the first word. Next slash n. So it returns the next value. String single quotes. So enclosing a string within a single quotes is useful when the string should be interpreted exactly as stated. Means whatever the data is represented in single quote, the data must be same as whatever the given input value. So in this example print, this is a string will be dollar print exactly as it's and slash and declare. Here dollar print is a variable, slash n is a new line characters, but it will not be parsed in single quotes. Whatever data we are displaying, okay, are encoded in single quote, that value must be displayed in output. So in this example, one major difference is we are using escape character here. So because otherwise, if we are not used single quote starting value, if it's we are used, it is a it compiler knows that it is a ending characters. So that's why we are using escape characters. Slash s slash is a backslash is a escape character we are using. So means in that time the starting value is here and ending value of string is here. Curly braces. So curly braces mainly previously we are used for scalar data types. So representing complex data types such as arrays, objects, so cannot be cannot be easily passed on the embedded echo or print. So curly braces are used for parsing the values. So compound data types such as arrays, objects also can easily parse the data. So echo, so dollar capital of O this is representation of array format. So it interpreting the values, array values also it is parsed the array values also. Next, here document. So here document is parsing the multiple lines of data. There is some rules for representing here documents. Rules are it represent starting with three less than symbols. So one keyword exert is a keyword that must be at the end of the string. Okay. Total paragraph, we are using HTML syntax also parsed in that one. So it parses the total number of total paragraph. Multiple lines of string can be parsed according to the by using here document. Thank you everyone.